Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra 3D Printer. A sense of creativity awakens the moment the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra AE version LCD 3D printer 7-inch 10K high-precision 3D printing 2.2-liter build volume 236mm by 231mm by 430mm starts bringing ideas to life. Every design emerges with sharp detail and clarity, transforming simple concepts into creations that feel personal, meaningful, and inspiring. A workspace turns into a center of imagination where each layer adds depth and every project tells a story, making the process as exciting as the result. Many people look for a tool that allows them to transform visions into reality while keeping precision and quality. This printer fulfills that need by providing smooth and reliable performance that is easy to control and intuitive to use. Watching a model build layer by layer creates a sense of accomplishment, turning ordinary ideas into extraordinary works that spark pride and joy. Each printing session becomes a journey of exploration and inspiration that encourages creativity to flow freely. Every finished piece carries significance beyond its physical form. Custom designs, functional prototypes, or artistic creations gain a unique presence and personality that make them memorable. Each layer reflects thought, care, and creativity, turning ordinary ideas into treasured works that can be admired, shared, and remembered. The growing demand for high-precision 10K LCD 3D printing highlights the desire for tools that combine innovation with simplicity. This printer aligns perfectly with that trend, supporting both spontaneous experiments and carefully planned projects. Its stable design, precise operation, and quiet performance make every print enjoyable and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative expression. Owning this printer unlocks the power to turn imagination into reality, where every project inspires creativity, every detail stands out, and every finished creation becomes a cherished achievement. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra X 3D Printer. A world of creativity awakens when the Anycubic Cobra X 3D printer 600mm per second max print speed 2x time and material-saving built-in 4-color printing automatic leveling printer begins shaping imagination into reality. Every idea transforms into a tangible creation with exceptional clarity and precision, turning simple concepts into projects that feel personal, inspiring, and full of meaning. A workspace evolves into a center of innovation where each layer builds depth and every print tells a story, making the process of creation as exciting as the final result. People often look for tools that make it easy to express creativity while maintaining accuracy and efficiency. This printer fulfills that desire by delivering smooth, reliable performance that encourages experimentation and exploration. Watching a design take form layer by layer generates a sense of pride and accomplishment, turning ordinary concepts into extraordinary creations. Each session becomes an inspiring journey that sparks imagination and motivates ongoing innovation. Every printed object carries significance beyond its physical form. Personalized designs, artistic creations, and functional prototypes gain uniqueness and character that make them memorable and special. Each layer reflects thought, care, and creativity, transforming ideas into treasured works that can be admired, shared, and appreciated for years to come. The growing interest in advanced 3D printing highlights the demand for tools that are precise, innovative, and approachable. This printer meets that need perfectly, supporting both spontaneous experimentation and carefully planned projects. Its fast print speed, for color capability, and automatic leveling ensure every print is smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative expression. Owning this printer opens a gateway to limitless imagination, where every creation inspires innovation, every detail stands out, and every finished piece becomes a cherished achievement. Number 3. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. A new dimension of creativity comes alive the moment the Creality K1 Max 3D printer 600mm per second printing speed dual-gear direct drive extruder 300 by 300 by 300mm begins turning imagination into reality. Every thought transforms into a tangible creation with stunning precision, making each project feel personal, inspiring, and deeply rewarding. A simple workspace becomes a center of innovation where every layer builds depth and every printed model tells a story, turning the act of creating into an immersive experience that excites the mind and heart. Many people search for tools that allow them to bring ideas to life while keeping the process smooth and reliable. This printer meets that expectation by delivering consistent performance that encourages experimentation and exploration. Watching a design gradually emerge layer by layer generates pride, satisfaction, and a sense of achievement, transforming ordinary concepts into exceptional creations. Every session becomes an inspiring journey that motivates continued creativity and opens doors to new possibilities. Each printed project carries significance beyond its physical form. Personalized prototypes, artistic models, and functional designs gain individuality and character, making them memorable and cherished. Every layer reflects thoughtfulness, care, and imagination, turning simple ideas into creations that can be admired, shared, and treasured for years. The growing appeal of advanced 3D printing demonstrates the demand for tools that are innovative yet approachable. This printer fulfills that need perfectly, supporting both spontaneous experiments and carefully planned projects. Its high printing speed, dual-gear direct drive extruder, and precise operation make every print smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative expression. Owning this printer unlocks limitless imagination, where every project inspires creativity, every detail stands out, and every finished piece becomes a celebrated achievement. Number 4. FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer. The FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer Multicolor Printing Intelligent Filament System One-Click Auto Leveling Group Control invites creators into a world where imagination meets reality. Every project becomes more than just a print, it becomes a personal expression, turning simple ideas into tangible creations that inspire pride and excitement. The joy of seeing a concept transform layer by layer into a vibrant and detailed model awakens creativity and deep satisfaction, creating an emotional bond with each finished piece. Designs take life effortlessly, capturing colors and shapes in ways that bring visions to life. The multicolor printing process enhances the beauty of every model, making each piece stand out with striking vibrancy. The intelligent filament system ensures smooth transitions and consistent results, while the one-click auto leveling guarantees precision that lets creators focus on their artistry rather than technical adjustments. Each print is a reflection of dedication, thought, and creativity, turning everyday ideas into memorable works that carry personal significance. The group control capability adds convenience, allowing multiple projects to progress efficiently without compromising quality or detail. This printer transforms not only the act of creation but also the experience of inventing, motivating continuous exploration and learning. Each layer printed, each shape formed, reinforces a sense of accomplishment, sparking curiosity and encouraging innovation. With the FlashForge AD5X, every design becomes an opportunity to celebrate imagination, every creation a testament to skill and inspiration, and every completed project a tangible reward for daring to bring ideas into the real world. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo 3D Printer. A new level of creativity awakens when the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D Printer High-Precision Core XY Stable Structure Ultra-Quiet Max Speed 600mm per second 3D printer begins working, turning imagination into reality. Each idea transforms into a tangible creation that feels personal, meaningful, and full of life. The workspace changes into a center of inspiration where every design builds a story and every layer adds depth to the vision, making the process as exciting as the result. Many people seek a tool that makes creativity accessible while delivering professional results. This printer answers that need by providing smooth, reliable performance that feels natural and easy to use. Watching each object take shape layer by layer creates a sense of pride and accomplishment, turning every project into a memorable journey of exploration and discovery. Every finished creation carries significance beyond its form. Personalized gifts, artistic designs, and functional prototypes gain a unique presence that reflects care, thought, and creativity. Each print captures intention and detail, making every piece stand out and leaving a lasting impression. Projects become more than objects, they become stories, memories, and expressions of passion that endure over time. Growing interest in advanced, multicolor 3D printing shows the desire for tools that are intuitive, stable, and inspiring. This printer fits perfectly into that trend, supporting both spontaneous experiments and carefully planned projects. Its quiet operation and stable structure make the process smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creativity. Owning this printer feels like unlocking endless possibilities, where every project fuels imagination, every detail shines, and every completed creation becomes a cherished achievement.